and just get out. DGR 2025. Your first year? First of many? I was hoping we can have a couple of red lights, mate, otherwise I'm carrying this camera for literally no reason. Then people in the car are going like, what's going on? I think so. I think there was about 150 at Norwich, and this is what, 220 something? 211. That is crazy. Yeah, it is, Luke. Yeah, Luke's down there on the Scrambler. Now we're... Oh my god, I'm losing it. I need to do my jacket up, man. I've got the DJI thing in there and it's kicking about. And you think a bike and not get sold, you wait until you get off of your bike, you'll be like, my left hand's knackered. I mean, I think this started in Sydney. Alright mate, chill out. Started in Sydney and now it's all over the world. No, sorry, my mistake. It started in Sydney and London. Those were the two originals. Yeah, look at them flags. That's class. Yeah. There's more people on this route already than there was on Norwich, mate. Norwich, you get like the occasional. This is like just everyone. Oh, little 60, is it? You know that I've got I've got to get one in. At least one. That's better. Yes! Little Palace fan, Ali. Won the FA Cup last night. Eurovision, winning the FA Cup. What a weekend. Madness, mate. This is just going to have to be a highlights video because I can't get anything out that's comprehensive. It's just take it all in and hope for the best. Wow. Pull it together in the edit. That's the plan. Whereas last year I was on my own so I could just talk. Oh, go on then. Imagine the noise if you weren't a biker and you like lived in one of these houses. You'd be like, what's going on? Oh, stopping. Get that gun. Just taking photos while casually trying to ride. Yeah, keep going. I got respect from a cyclist. Mission passed successfully. I'm just here to hype everyone up. What's your role at DJI? I am the DJI Hypeman. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh yeah, look at that. How about that for some drive-by footage? Just keep looking at you as I go through, and then it's basically like a gimbal. Yeah, you got this. Oh, big one. Mate, look at this. This is insane. Wow. Yeah. I thought we were near the front. Like, genuinely, I thought we were near the front.
It is carnage.
Do you know what I mean? This is what I imagine, like, Hell's Angels and that is like.
Just must feel like
more violence.
When they do, like, their big fucking ride-outs.
Yeah. That's when they're, like, going somewhere as a club, not a chapter.
Because it's just, like, you look in the mirror, it's just headlights.
It's, yeah. And wheelies and just carnage.
It is cool.
Yeah, way.
You can see why people join bike clubs.
Yeah, for the vibe, for the belonging.
I suppose it's quite a good time of year to do it with, like, you know, VE Day and all that.
Yeah.
Only the other week, everyone's feeling a bit patriotic, aren't they? Oh, Harley Owners Group, there they are. They got their flag out, that's Ali, innit?
It's like because it's a Harley. Hell yeah, brother! Brother! Where's the Triumph Owners group? Oh no, wait, this is it, the distinguished gentleman.
This is the Triumph Owners group.
That was weird, man. That was weird.
It's got to be because there's a Harley behind it. You know what? I'm so glad I bought this bike for this very occasion.
Just best £8,000 you've ever spent.
9.
9. Oh yeah, look.
Even with the adventure bike, I still wouldn't nod.
Charity and everything, still won't nod.
Do you know what I mean?
I don't care if you're doing it for charity. I'm not nodding you.
To be fair, I can't get mad at him for not nodding because he'd just be nodding like 1,000 people.
Like Churchill the dog, mate.
What's that, bike ride?
I'm up, I'm here.
I'm up, my suit's good to go.
Raising money for charity, yeah, I'll do it. And all I have to do is ride a motorcycle. I don't have to do any kind of physical activity.
What, you mean I can actually do something I enjoy doing?
and I can raise money.
It's not physical punishment.
Oh, a little break from the waving there now.
Yeah. Oh.
Titans. That corner tightens. This is nice roads, man. We've never come out this way.
I don't even know where we are, to be honest.
We've just gone through Cranfield.
Yeah, it's nice out there. Yeah, I couldn't miss out on it this year. There's no excuse.
No, you literally did have no excuse.
Nothing on with work. I now own a Triumph, so can't be rude not to. Yeah, boy.
That's gonna look sick.
Yeah,
Best ride out of the year, man. Best ride out of the year.
100%.
Because everyone's not in like just boring bike clothing. It is just everyone's dressed up, having a good time, man.
It's fucking vibes, isn't it?
Yeah. Why are they all so miserable, man? Just be happy. I'd be going crazy as on the corner. I mean, I'm here for a good time.
You are the hype man.
I am the hype man of the ride. It's my job to hype people up. Hype man, hyping him up.
See, hype man doing his job.
I'm the DJI hype man.
Someone get this man an armband.
I'm going to buy one. I think I'm going to get hype man printed onto it.
Where do they sell them? At this bit? The fucking peg on the floor?
It's on. They sell them on the web store. Yeah, you can buy them online.
Nice.
Yeah. Now we're going.
Hype man. There's some people that need hyping.
There's some hype man people coming. Woo! Yeah. Yes. I hype someone up. Hype man continues.
Oh, cry me a river. You see him whining, that geezer on the push bike?
Yeah. Oh, my race. Shut up.
He's got a race. He's like, oh, come on.
It's all right. Weigh me.
Shut up.
That's how roads work.
Yeah, pay road tax, you fucking loser.
No, we're distinguished. We don't say that. We're distinguished gentlemen.
Oh yeah, sorry.
We don't pay your tax. You
heathen.
You heathen. Yes. You absolute road racing heathen.
What a fool. As if he was getting a monk on.
Like he was going to win that argument.
That just proves that cyclists
are self-entitled.
Yeah. Do you know what I mean? There's literally 200 plus people out, suited and booted it. Everyone's loving it, waving, good cause for charity, 25 grand raise. Yet the cyclist,
my road race, I'm going to lose half a minute.
It's all about me. Shut up.
Boring.
Boring, old.
I hate you.
Fuck cyclists.
I can hear that Harley like just throbbing away.
Yeah, they're such a distinct sound, aren't they?
I like it, don't get me wrong, but it is just bop, 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 thumping.
Do you know what we should have done to that? You should have just flipped him off. You should have just given the good news, and then everyone behind you just join in.
Could you imagine?
He'd have never been flipped off by so many people in such a short space of time.
Stop getting a monk on about that. Stopping, are we?
Stopping. I'm struggling.
maybe that cyclist should have got himself a better corner marker, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Right.
Because nobody's forgetting the monk on about us coming through, mainly because there's just a million bikes that'll kick off at him.
Yeah, exactly. Cheers, then.
Lovely. 17 tons or one Harley. This is pretty. Oh, look at that. That's a perfect spot for cameras.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ain't going anywhere, love. There's quite literally 0 point in you edging forward.
Where do you want me to go?
People are so stupid. I don't think she realises there's about
I mean, yeah, just look behind.
another 100 people behind.
Have a good day. She's fuming. Just be more like this guy. He's chill.
Yeah, he's chill.
How did you get thrown out of DJI? I did a rolling burnout.
Cute that they've got their own spaces.
And that's it. That's DJI 2025. Done.